much stronger, the King of glory, the King above all kings, who shakes the whole earth with holy thunder and leaves us breathless in awe and wonder, the King of glory.
Who would tell us our real value and real identity? It is our real Creator.
This is unfailing love, that you would take my place, that you would bear my cross.
It is gift of God. Ano bang pinagkaiba nito ngayon sa deserving? Yung deserving, pinagpagura natin. Kaya po ang tawag natin dito sa grace, this is undeserved favor of God for undeserving people na katulad po natin. We are undeserving, and yet there is a grace of God. Hindi na po ito part ng history, but it is His story. It is Jesus' story. It is a love story. But God commanded His love towards us, in that while we were yet sinners, Christ died for us.